Hello my dear students, welcome in maths class. In this class I am going to discuss Heron's formula exercise 12.1 question number 1 and question number 2. So let's start with the question number 1. So first question is a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. So first part of the question is up to here. We have to find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. And that signal board is in the form of equilateral, is in the shape of equilateral triangle. So first part is up to here. So let's solve up to this part. So this is an equilateral triangle and all the sides are A. So let A is equal to A, B is also A, C is also A. Semi-perimeter of triangle is A plus B plus C divided by 2. So all the sides are A here. So A plus A divided by 2, that is 3A by 2. Area of triangle, that is square root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus A, C. 3a upon 2 minus a, 3a upon 2 minus a and 3a upon 2 minus a. S is 3a by 2 and a, b, c all values are a here. So 3 by 2 as it is, and next one 3a upon 2 minus a, we have to solve it by LCM. So 3a by 2 minus a upon, we can write is that as a upon 1. So denominators are 2 and 1, so LCM is 2 here. When 2 divided by its denominator, answer is 1. 1 into 3a is coming 3a. Minus sign is after that. 2 divided by 1, answer is 2. So 2 into a is 2a. Now 3a minus 2a is equal to a by 2. So here this answer will be a by 2. Another next bracket answer is also a by 2, and next bracket answer is also 3 by 2. Now next to this one, we see here a pair of a is completed in the numerator part, another pair of a is also completed in the numerator part, and pair of 2 completed in the denominator part, another pair of 2 is completed in the denominator part. So from this pair a will come out, and another a will come out, and in the denominator 2 will come out. Another pair is there 2, so 2 will come out, and we will write numerator things in the numerator, and when denominator we will write in the denominator. So 2's are in the denominator, so we will write in the denominator, and a's are in the numerator, so we will write in the numerator. So from one pair, one a will come out, another pair of a, another a will come out. In the same way, one pair of 2 completed, 1 2 will come out, another pair of 2, so another 2 will come out, and root 3 as it is because it is without pair. So a into 8 is become a square, 2 into 2 is 4, and root 3 as it is. So we can write the numerical number first here, and root 3 upon 4 into a square. This is the area of equilateral triangle. So examiner can ask in 1 mark question, what is the formula of area of equilateral triangle? So our answer is area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 into side square. This is the formula of area of equilateral triangle. The next part of this question is, if its perimeter, the signal board perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So perimeter of signal board is 180. So perimeter means sum of all the sides. So a plus a plus a, 3a is equal to 180. A is equal to 180 by 3, so a is equal to 60. Now we have to find the area of signal board, and that is in the shape of equilateral triangle. And we have derived the formula, area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 into side square. So a is 60, that is the side of the signal board. We will substitute the value of a in this formula here. So area of signal board is under root 3 upon 4 into side square. So under root 3 upon 4 into 60 square, that is 60 into 60. So 4 and 16 will cancel out, 15 is left here. 15 into 6, 90, 10 is more there because of 60 under root 3. So answer is 900 under root 3 centimeter square is the answer of this area of the signal board. So examiner can ask by using this area of equilateral triangle, side of the equilateral triangle is 20 centimeter, find the area of the equilateral triangle. Like this he can ask so many questions. Now come to the question number 2. The triangular side walls of the flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yields an earning of rupees 5,000 meter square per year. A company hired one of its balls for 3 months. This figure is also given to us, and company is hiring one of the ball because there are in the figure 2 balls are given, but company is hiring only one ball. How much rent did it pay? So first we will find the area of this ball, and after that we will use this statement. Advertisements yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. It means the company is giving rent for 1 meter square for 1 year is equal to rupees 5,000. So first we will calculate the area, and then we will use this statement. So Let us say that first side is 120, it is given to you. B is suppose 120 and C is 20 meter. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So semi perimeter divided by 2, answer is 132. Now area of triangle, S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. 132 minus 122 is 10, 132 minus 120 is 12, 132 minus 22 is 11. So now we will do the prime factorization. 132 prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Prime factorization of 10 is 2 into 5, 12, 2 into 2 into 3, and 110 is 2 into 5 into 11. Now after that we will write all 2's together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 is coming 6 times, we'll write all together. 3 is coming 2 times, we'll write together. 5 is coming 2 times, write together. And 11 is also coming 2 times, write together. From each pair we will take one digit outside the root. So from this pair 2, another pair of 2, another pair of 2, and then pair of, from this pair 3 will come out, from other pair of 5 will come out, then there is a pair of 11, so from this pair 11 will come out. When we'll multiply, after multiplication, answer is coming 1320 meters square. This is the area of one triangular ball, and company is hiring one of its ball. So rent of 1 meter square for 1 year is rupees 5000. It is given in question. So rent of 1320 meter square for 1 year, we will multiply, because for 1 meter square rent is rupees 5000. So 1320 meter square rent will be more, so we will multiply. But this is the rent for 1320 meter square for 12 months, and we have to find 3 months. So we will apply the unitary method. So rent of 1320 meter square for 1 month. So we will divide it by 12, because 1 year has the 12 months, and we are calculating here the rent for 1 month. So we will divide it by 12. Now we have to find the rent for the 3 months. So for 3 months we will multiply here. This is a very important step here. Again I am saying for 1 year has the 12 months. So for 12 months rent is 5000 into 1320. Rent of 1320 meter square for 1 month is, we will divide it by 12, because 1 year has the 12 months. So we have to find the rent for 1 month, so we will divide it by 12. Now we will find the rent for 3 months. So for that we will multiply by 3. So 3 and 12 will cancel out. 4 and 1320 will cancel out. Whatever is left here, 330 into 5000, answer is here 16,50,000 rupees. So that is the total rent for one of its ball for the 3 months. So that's all for these questions, and next exercise I will discuss in the next video.